Okay. Uh, very good afternoon to Mr. Lim TECK, our lecturer for digital electronics. Okay, so today I will explain about lab 4 counter. Let's go through to the lab sheet. Document for this lab is IC 7473 and 7403. A counter is a sequential logic circuit that goes through a prescribed sequence of states. Upon the application of input passes, the prescribed sequence can be a binary sequence or any other sequence. A counter that goes through to n, which is n is the number of flip-flops, state as known a binary counter. Okay, so there are a few types of counter, which is asynchronous and synchronous counters. Okay, so let's go through the procedure. For part 1, 3-bit asynchronous counter, which is 3-bit is represent the 3 input. If we convert it to the table, so let's go through to the part 1. Here in multisim, I have already construct it. Okay, we use key space in order to differentiate between, in order to make a difference between asynchronous and synchronous. So we just push the play button, and then if we want to change the number in the 7 segment display, we just have to push the push button. Okay, for 7 if the lights turn on, it will represent binary 1, and then we push again, number will count down. Now 0 1 1 is 6, then 1 0 1 5, and so on. I've already screen capture the result of every 7 segment display. You can see here. Okay, and here are the table of the part 1. Okay, so let's go to the part 2. 3-bit synchronous counter. So here we have to use a little bit different with the first one. We use the digital clock. Okay, so here are the different with the first one, asynchronous. So here we have to play, then the value in the 7 segment display will play automatically, and the probe here will also change by side the 7 segment display. Okay, so all of the result I have screen captured in the lab sheet. Here I put all the experiment result in the table, and then the circuit and the result for a 7 segment display, all of that. Okay, so but sadly for part 3 abnormal counter, I won't able to make it, because I have already asking my friend and do some research lah to do it, but I don't have don't have idea, I'm very sorry. So I have already done for part 1 and 2. So that's all for lab 4, and thank you very much to Sir Lim with TECK, and I'm really sorry about what happened. Thank you and good afternoon again.